New and more challenging robotics applications are leading to the creation of increasingly complex automated systems. As a result, traditional motion programming is often too limited or too time-intensive for practical use with these systems. The open-source ROS Industrial project provides a variety of advanced motion planning capabilities to address this gap, but these can have a steep learning curve, even for experienced developers. Southwest Research Institute has developed the SWRI Workbench for Offline Robotics Development, SWORD, to repackage these advanced motion planning tools in a user-friendly graphical CAD environment. SWORD was developed under SWRI's internal research program, but is now being offered as a commercial software product. SWORD is distributed as a plugin to the open-source free CAD application and is available for both Windows and Linux systems. SWORD allows you to model your work cell, create complicated toolpaths, and automatically plan collision-free robot motions to follow the path. The Environment Modeling Toolkit builds a familiar set of CAD tools to define the robot and work cell geometry. You can import an existing ROS URGF model or create one from scratch and export it for use in other ROS tools. SWORD also includes tools to create simplified collision models and experiment with different kinematic solvers. The Toolpath Generation Toolkit allows you to define a path for the robot to follow, either manually or by tracing CAD geometry. The Motion Planning Toolkit is used to experiment with a variety of different motion planners. You can adjust the tuning of these algorithms and easily see the effect on robot motions. You can even build custom pipelines that combine multiple different planners to accomplish even more complex planning tasks. Finally, SWORD can convert the outputs of the Motion Planning Toolkit into native robot programs that can be deployed directly to a robot controller for execution. SWORD provides easier access to sophisticated motion planning tools, reducing the time to deploy advanced robotic systems. It is useful to both ROS developers and more traditional robotics engineers. Let SWORD help ease your path to more advanced robotic applications. Give it a try today.